Visualize the life you truly want. People who are successful often employ the visualization process. If there's something you truly want, you need to put that big brain of yours to work. Imagine what you want is right in front of you, or create the path to get there in your mind. Dream about what you want and create pictures in your mind that show how it all develops. You need to be in the proper mindset to do this, which can be achieved using the following relaxation techniques. Move to a quiet place where you can remain undisturbed for about a 30-minute period of time. Sit in a comfortable chair, back straight and feet on the floor. You also have the option of lying down, although it is important that you only do so if you can guarantee that you will not fall asleep during this period of relaxation. And once you're comfortable, close your eyes and take a few deep abdominal breaths. Breathe in through your nose, allowing your stomach to push out slightly. The goal here is to loosen up the diaphragm so that more air can enter the lungs. Hold your breath for the slightest of moments before allowing it to slowly escape through your mouth, bringing your stomach back to its normal position. In order to ensure that the proper breathing technique is being used, place a hand on your stomach so that you can feel the movements. Taking the time to perfect your breathing will make your visualization process easier each and every time. In your head, count backwards from 25 to 1, breathing deeply as you do so. If you haven't reached a relaxed state by the time you get to 1, try again. Only this time, start at 50 and count back. As you perfect the technique, you might find that you don't have to start with such a high number in order to become completely relaxed. Once in this state, think of something that you already have, which could be anything from your car to your job, or even just the roof over your head. Pay attention to how your mind and body reacts to possessing something with such total certainty. There will be no feelings of stress or anxiety when you think of these things, just the pure certainty of knowing. Allow yourself time to get used to this feeling and to fully embrace the serenity of it. Perform this process on a regular basis, as this will allow you to transfer those feelings of certainty and trust when you imagine the things you want during visualization. And when you put in as much time as is required for you to visualize all the possibilities, you then need to switch to focus mode. In the moments before you perform the action that will deliver the outcome you hoped for, place the picture of what you are about to do front and center in your mind. Visualization works, but you need to be comfortable, in a calm state and free from worries. The whole process is like meditation in many ways, except that your mind is totally active. Visualization encourages you to use your mind and imagine all the possibilities that lie before you. Meditation, on the other hand, requires you to basically cast all that aside and focus on a single thing.